Hi, I'm Bob Bordignone, Senior Vice President of Sales and Marketing here at MGS. I've been with MGS over 20 years, and in that time I've seen a lot of growth, a lot of investment, and met a lot of great people. At MGS, we're guided by our customers' visions. We're proud to be a critical component in delivering life-changing products to their patients around the world. It's just part of the MGS DNA. Hard work, humility, curiosity, and a relentless focus on finding the right solutions. From our hands-on operational teams to our executive leadership team, the spirit of innovation and agility drives us all every day. It's easy to have that excitement for our customers when we can see the direct impact their innovations have on everyday lives. It's why we're committed to helping healthcare innovators bridge the gap between imagination and realization. Let's go to Richfield, Wisconsin, where the MGS team moved with incredible speed, quality, and commitment to support a customer's growing need. The result? A purpose-built drug delivery device facility that will soon be producing 250 million devices per year.
I'm Brad Bullock, Director of Business Development at MGS. Welcome to MGS Richfield. MGS Richfield was born of a customer need to meet accelerated demand for single-use liquid injectable drug delivery devices. We had been in conversation with this customer for a while, and when the right opportunity came, everyone on the MGS team moved quickly to support them. This facility came to life just 22 months from initial award to ship parts.
Hi, I'm Josh Peterson. I'm the General Manager at our MGS Richfield manufacturing facility. MGS Richfield is unique because it's 100% dedicated to that single customer. This plot of land was a cornfield 2 years ago. Today, it's a 300,000 square foot sophisticated manufacturing facility. Everything that you see here was specifically designed to produce billions of components that go into 250 million subassemblies per year. Here, we have more than 100 injection molding machines, high efficiency automated assembly lines, and state-of-the-art quality lab with tactile and visual measurement systems. All of this is housed within 140,000 square feet of Class 8 cleanroom space.
One of our competitive differentiators here at MGS is our vertical integration. Our customers can come to us with an idea, and we can support them through product design and development, tooling, automation, and manufacturing. This vertical integration is why we can move so quickly. We've done this before, and we'll do it for other customers, and we know how to make it go smoothly. We're excited for what's next with this customer, as well as other customers with similar products.
It's our hope that what we've done here at Richfield can be applied for other customers around the world. It's already happening in places like Juarez, Mexico, Cartago, Costa Rica, Leixlip, Ireland, where we are building new capacity and capabilities to help our customers bridge that gap between imagination and